Hi everyone, bought a new advertisement board today. Quite a big metal monstrosity, People say Spain's a poor country, but here Benidorm has just spent like €30 million on this thing. Not really advertising anything, to be fair. It just says Benidorm, then has a little but 20-second advert for exterior plus, whoever they are. Not really the best of ideas to build it, really. I mean, yeah. The thing is, they slowed this rate down to like 10 kilometers an hour. 8? Jesus. So yeah, the road's been slowed down probably so people can see this big monstrosity, and well, it isn't advertising anything. Gets turned off at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. I can't remember, but gets turned off at night. It's just a big metal monstrosity, really. Somewhere meant there. Then of course you've got Hotel Madeira Centro right there, and another apartment block there. So I mean, anyone in these two buildings, I mean, must be blocking your sun, must be quite irritating having that all day, every day. Gonna have a look a bit more around it now. For some reason they've got fencing round it still, and the fencing does have pictures of the Benidorm Castle, so that leads me to believe maybe they plan for a bit more sort of work to be done. Like maybe they're putting a flower bed around the outside. I don't know. Your angle grinder would be the best thing for it. I mean, it's not the best thing we've ever seen in Benidorm. Just looks like a light up chicken feeder, to be fair. I mean, I reckon it could make more in scrap metal than what it'll make Benidorm in advertisement, guys. It's just ugly, to be quite fair. I don't even know why they thought it would be good here in Benidorm. Gonna take a walk up through town now. Past the new KFC, of course. Plus the triangular tavern with the tree that's actually probably older than me. I think that tree's been there even since we first started coming to Benidorm, I think. So like, yeah, longer than I've been alive, mate. Yeah. Quite old, guys. Quite old. 28 degrees today, apparently. Yeah, if it is 28 degrees, makes a complete difference to the weather we had yesterday. Rained pretty much most of yesterday. Yeah, I mean, this thing here, guys, made by same company, Exterior Plus, is actually advertising stuff as well. Lot clearer, lot smaller, probably a whole lot cheaper to build as well. So at Email restaurant there. Not sure when I'm uploaded this, but if I upload it today, which is Friday the 29th of April, I might be on Master Sounds UK's live stream tonight. If I don't upload it today, guys, head on over to Master Sounds UK's channel, check him out, subscribe to his channel as well. Yeah, the live stream's on 9 o'clock in the UK, I think. Yeah, 9 o'clock UK. Basically, it's just a group of lads having a chinwag, getting a bit tipsy, so should be entertaining, guys. Do you think we have a discussion this evening? I'm not too sure yet, but should be fun. Glorious day in Benidorm today, actually quite hot. Sportium. I think they're like a bookies top place. Gonna let the lorry go past, show you the restaurant behind it. Simply named Pig. That named after Scooter Sue? Or is it the lazy cow that's named after Mum? Sorry, Mum, I didn't mean to say that, just having a bit of banter. What the? Oh. I have no idea that's happening, guys. We do have a more jewellery shop on the corner there, as well as Pinocchio's just there. Brand new Benidorm tattoo shop, Viking Ink. Still seems like they've got the offer on. One small tattoo for €30, two for $50. However, got to be the same person, guys. You can't go in and get yourself and then get your mate to get you in. got a few new laws coming into Spain soon as well, which I think I might mention on a live stream maybe, not sure yet. But here's the new shops I was on about: Bonbon Boss Cake Shop and of course Haagen-Dazs Ice Cream Shop. And of course they are just sort of coming into the middle of town now. You do have Base Sports Shop, the Amazon Return Shop. Trust me guys, everything bought in that shop there on the corner, Amazon Returns, wouldn't shop there guys, be warned. Anyway, hit the like, hit subscribe, anything else I need to say?
Yeah.
Right.
See you on the next one, guys.
Yeah, see you on next one guys, adios.